Hello, my name is Benjamin Okechukwu Owose, aka Bencity Interiors and Bencity Paint. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this design yourself, how you can do it yourself. So after marking it, the next thing we are doing now is to cut of the design. So this design is what you can do yourself. After watching this video, I believe you can do it yourself. In case you are confused, you can actually chat us on our social media platform, our YouTube channels. There we're going to direct you how you can actually perfect this. So we've done cutting it out. So the next thing we're going to do now is to install it on the wall. So you can see here is Dominion Dugbe Church, Abuja. So we are removing the banner right away. After removing the banner, the next thing we're going to screw this on the wall. This is a plywood board. Screw it on the wall. So to achieve the circle, it's still the same way you cut off the other design we just showed you previously. It's the same way you also achieve the circle. So we're going to screw this right away with BC paint, Bencity paint, the best paint you can ever see right now in the market. So this is a high quality screening paints. So these are our direct use. So we have different kind of screening paint. We have the direct use, we have the POP screening paint. We have all manner of paints, both emulsion, satin, matte, screening paints. Mention it, any kind of paint you can imagine, we produce it. So right away we are screening the board. So now we are moving into the design, the decoration part of the wall, so of the board. Now you can see we are decorating it with our direct use screening paints. So after this, now the next thing we are moving into is the painting aspect. So we are painting with our matte paints. Here we are. I believe you love what you're seeing. After the lightning and the logo design, also done by Bencity Paints and Interiors. So do well to give us your interior decoration job and your paint production job. We do deliver anywhere in the world, any place, Dubai, UK, US, anywhere you are in the world, India. Call us today for your interior decoration job, and we promise you we're not gonna fail you. Yes. So apart from this, we also do some teachings on our YouTube channels on paint production and also how to be a pro in interior decoration. So do well to follow us on our social media platform, our YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's very important. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's where you can see the tips on how you can produce your paint yourself, and also how you can paint your house or decorate your house yourself. We're also offering a free promo that you buy our paint and get one for free. And also you can see these are our training classes. Yeah, we offer free training and also paid classes as well. You can see these are our tips on our paint production. So do well to follow us on our social media platform and check out the next videos.